today today we're not just doing science. We're gonna play with bubbles. How? With gloves. Science gloves. So grab this and mix it with the dish soap in it. So that the dish soap is the one that makes the bubble. So now, wanna see how you catch the bubble? Bam, 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 wham, until it pops. And you want to see me squish it a little bit? Look, just don't let your broom fall. Pops. Popped again. Squish a little bit more. Pop. There. There we go, look. I'm gonna see, I squished it a little bit. So today we want to see how to do amazing tricks with a bubble? Look. Bubbles are affecting this. Look. See those tricks? These tricks are that you blow the bubble and then it falls in your hand. And then when you grab it with your glove, something happens. Look. See? I can move my hand like this and you don't see the ball that's moving. That's a trick. So see you next time at another of Franco's Science Experiments video.